Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model doors in 3D Max. First, I will start with one panel door. I need to go to geometry list and pick doors and then pivot. Here you need to specify the door opening regardless of the frame. So you will click and drag for the width and then click for the depth and then click for the height. Now I will go to modify tab and I will change the height like this. Now for the door opening, I will give it 20 degree so you can see better the options I'm changing. Now for the frame, I need to match it with the AutoCAD drawing, so I will make it 3. You can see now that the size is changed. Now I will go to the leaf parameter. I need the thickness of this door panel to be 5, and then the top rail 12, the bottom rail 20, and for the panels, I need it just to be 1 panel. Now if you increase here the vertical panels, you can see the result, it will become like this, but you need to adjust the mountain. Here, this value, you should type it in millimeters. If I want to give it the same width, which is 12, I should type 120. Okay, but now I will just, I'm matching the image over here, so I will keep it 1. Now I will choose from this list, the panels list, the glass. I will keep it to the default. Here, I am done with the overall shape of the door, but I need to add edit poly, and I need to double check the material ID because I want to apply wood material for all the elements. Here, if I picked this element, it is 4, and the glass is 3, and the door frame, it is unspecified. So I will select them all and give them material ID 1. Like this. Now I will close the door opening. So now I will add just a chamfer modifier. Here you have a regular edge, but that will be resolved easily if you change the corner type. I will make it a try. The amount will be 0.3. Now I want to show you something with this, the default of the door. I will hide this element. You go to the geometry, hide selected. You will notice here that this side is open border and this side has an open border. You just need to close the borders for this one and for this one. And then you select edit border cap. Now I will go to the element mode and then I will press on unhide all. Like this, I am done with the door. I just need to add a material to it and I will click on assign. Since I make all the element as a material ID 1, so all of them will have the same material. And this is the final look for the door. So now I will just draw the walls to the door, and I will show you the only option we didn't use in the doors. I will make a line here, from here to here, and then disable this option, which is start a new shape. I will click from here to here. Now they became both as one object. I will use here extrude, and I will make the amount to 13, and then I will give it a shell modifier, make the outer amount 15. Now I will add edit poly, select this polygon and this polygon, extrude 80, and then select this polygon over here and this polygon over here, and then use bridge. Now I will go back to this door. Here, the only option that we didn't use for this door is the depth. Now it is flashed with the wall line. I will use extra depth for the frame as 1. So you can see it is projecting outside the wall. And now we are done with this particular door. I will start now with the glass door. Now I will get back to this AutoCAD plan. Now I will click on pivot, and I will click and drag for the door opening regardless of the frame, and then click for the depth, and then click for the height. Here I need to go to the modify list, and I will change the height. Now I will scroll down, make the opening 20, and here the frame as well, we need it to be 3, so it will match my AutoCAD drawing. Now I want the door, I want it to be recessed, so I will make here the offset 5. I want it to go to the back. Now I will change the leaf parameter. I want the thickness 4, top rail 12, bottom rail 18, and now the horizontal panel 2, and the vertical 5. Now for the mountain, I will keep it to the default, which is 20. Here, as I told you, this value, you should type it in millimeter. For the plane type, I will keep it to the default, which is glass. Now I will add edit poly, and I will do the same adjustment as before. I will select this element over here, and I will go to edit geometry, and then I will hide the selected. I will select the border for this one and for this one, and I will go to edit border cap. Now I will go back to elements and hide all. So I can now use the chamfer modifier easily. Also, I will use for the chamfer modifier, smooth the chamfers only, and I will use the corner type, try, and the amount 0.3. Now I will check as well the element material. So if I select here the glass, they have the material ID number 3. Since I have only 2 material in my object, which is the wood paint and the glass, I will make this one 2. And then I will click Ctrl and I to invert the selection, and I will make all of them 1. Now I have 2 materials for my door. And I will apply here a multi-sub-object material. And this is the second door. I can also close the door leaf. Now I will start with the last one, which has raised panels. Now I will go back to the AutoCAD drawing. I will click on pivot, need to click and drag for width, and then another click for depth, and then another click for height. Now I will go to the modify list to change the parameter. And now I will go to the frame. I need the frame to be 3 to match my AutoCAD drawing. And I want this door to go backwards, so the offset will be 5. Now I need to change the leaf parameter. I want it to be 4, and then the top rail is 12, the bottom rail is 20, and the horizontal plane, I want it 1, I'll keep it 1, and the vertical 3. Now I need to change the mountain, which is the size of this one, and you need to type the value here in millimeter. So to give it 12 cm as the top rail, I will type here 120. Now I will change the plane type to pivot, and here I will start first with the width. The first outline, I want it to be 5 cm, and also the whole list here you need to type the dimension in millimeter, so I will type 50. Now the second one, I want the offset to be 2 cm, so I will type 20. So now I will start to raise the thickness. So this is thickness 1, and this is thickness 2, and this is the middle thickness. I want, as in the picture, the first one to be very low, so I will keep it as it is. The second one, I want to raise this panel 2 cm, so I will type 20, and I want also the middle thickness to be the same level of this one, so I will type also here 20. So now I need to add edit poly, and here I need to close first the top borders. I will select the top borders, and I will press cap. Now I want to go to the front view, and I will select these vertex over here and move them downward to match the image. Now I need to select all the elements, and I want to give them one material ID, because here I have only one material for the whole door, which is wood, like this. Now I will add chamfer modifier, and I will make smooth for chamfers only, and then the corner type try, and the amount 0.3. Now I will open the material editor and assign this material to it. Here I will add UVW map and click on box. And that is the final look for the 3 doors.